today we will study combinational logic circuit. Okay, what do you understand by the combinational logic circuit? It means the output is a function of input only at that instant. Okay, at that instant it does not have any memory. This is a combinational logic circuit. So the combinational logic circuit is classified as in a four-way. First, code converter. Second, binary and BCD adders. Third one, binary BCD subtractor. Fourth one, digital comparator. Okay. Now the digital circuit that are used to add two binary numbers. So the binary adder may be of two types. Okay. First one, half adder. Second one, full adder. So what is half adder? As the name suggests, it is a combinational logical circuit. It is a combinational logic circuit with two inputs and two output. It is the basic building block for the addition of two single bit numbers. Okay, circuit has two outputs, namely the circuit has two output, namely sum and carry. Okay, the half adder diagram is that half adder, there will be sum and there will be carry. Okay, so the truth table will be in this form. There is input and output. At input we have two inputs A, B, then two outputs sum and carry. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. At a sum, 0 plus 0 gives you a 0. It did not get any carry, so it will be 0. 0 plus 1 gives you a sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 0 gives you a sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1 gives you a 10. So sum will be 0 and carry will be 1. Okay, so we can write a expression for this. For the sum, it is A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, and for the carry, it is A B. This is the expression. So the diagram will be, we will use XOR and AND gate. Okay, XOR for the sum and this is for carry A B. Okay, now the topic will be, next topic, full adder. full adder. To overcome the drawback of an half adder, we develop a 3 single bit adder, which is known as full adder, because in half adder we can add only the 2 bit, but in full adder we can add a 3 bit digits. Okay, so that's why it's overcome the drawback of half adder. It can add two 1 bit numbers. It can add two 1 bit number A and B and carry in means Cn. A full adder has a three input and two outputs. Okay, it is also a combinational circuit. Full adder, there will be sum and carry again, and one more input Cn, A, B, Cn. So the truth table will be, there is input and output. Okay, A, B and C in sum carry. Okay, so 00, 11, 00, 11, 8421 form is taken. Okay, 101. Now for the sum, 0 plus 0 gives you a 0, 0 plus 1, 1. The carry will be 0. 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1 gives you a carry also. Sorry, for here also it's 1. Now here 0. 1 plus 1 gives you a 10, means carry 1. 1 plus 0 gives you a 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1 gives you a 10, means carry 1 plus 1 gives you a 10, carry 1 plus 1 gives you 10, 10 plus 1 plus 1 gives you a 10, 10 plus 1 gives you a 11, means sum also there and carry also there. So the equation will be, for the sum is A bar B bar C in A bar B bar C in plus A bar B C in bar plus A bar B C in bar. Here also sum is 1, so A B bar C bar in, A B bar C bar in plus A B bar C in, A B bar, no, sorry for that. Here one A B C in, C in. Okay, now for the carry we get it. Here one means A bar B C in, A bar B C in plus A B bar C in, A B bar C in and A B C in bar, A B C in bar plus A B C in. So the answer will be, we take a common, so that from this it shows that by taking a common it's give you a sum A XOR B, means B bar C in, B XOR C in sums. And for the carry By taking this common in the form of universal gates, it shows that for the C out we get it same AB plus AC in plus BC in. Okay, so by taking a common from these we get a carry out in this form. Okay, so we have studied a half adder and full adder. The full adder, using half adder we can make it. This is a half adder. This is, by using this we are making a full adder by using a two half adders. Similarly for this, there is Cn, AB, A XOR B. For that there is, gives you AND gate, OR gate, it's give you a sum and it's give you a carry. So this is a full adder by using two half adders. Okay, the applications of half and full adder is, it acts as the basic building block of the 4-bit and 8-bit binary BCD adders, such as we can use an IC 7483 IC in which the full adder can be used.